All right, our next team is the Cats Meow. Janet Veit and Jonathan Lamb. Janet is a veterinarian at Hillside Animal Hospital and also an instructor of pet first aid and CPR through the American Red Cross. Jonathan is the founder of Bailing and Company in La Crosse and has competed in half of our 10 Dancing with the La Crosse Stars events. Let's hear it for the Cats Meow.
Heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Heaven, I'm in heaven, and the cares that hung around me through the week seem to vanish like a gambler's lucky streak when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I love to climb a mountain and to reach the highest peak, but it doesn't boot me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Come on and dance with me. I want my arm about you. That charm about you, it will carry me through right up to heaven. I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find that happiness I seek when we're out together dancing, out together dancing, out together dancing cheek to cheek.
Let's hit for Team Cats Meow. Nice job, you guys. Now, I have to say, Jonathan, you were my dance partner 4 years ago, so you got a good one. He's a good one, and I'll tell you what, you did really good, too. You guys look like Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers out there. That was, right? It's like the real show stuff. So now, I'm a little disappointed that there wasn't an actual cat here. I mean, was that, anybody else? Were you?
Couldn't quite fit him into the routine.
Okay, well, do you have any previous dance experience? Because that was really good.
My husband and I probably took a total of 10 dance classes in the last 15 years. That's it.
Well, it paid off. Excellent job. Let's hear what the judges thought. Let's start with you, Kathy.
I thought it was a very nice partnership. You danced as one across the floor. You moved as one unit across the floor a lot. That was great. Janet, I would just say, I know it's hard to point your feet in those hard character shoes, but you did a good job.
And Rick.
First, I want to know if he's Len Goodman. Am I Carrie Ann or am I Bruno?
Do you want to be Bruno or Carrie Ann?
No.
Your pick. What did you think, Rick?
I thought it was fantastic. I like the fact that you just got out there. You're dressed elegant. You had an elegant dance. You did some waltz. You worked in some foxtrot in there. I think there was some tango. It was just a great ballroom dance, and it was really good. It really was Ginger Rogers and Fred Astaire. Nice job.
And Robert.
Well, there's nothing more beautiful than ballroom dancing. And for those of you in the audience who think it's easy, you are fooling yourself. It's one of the hardest styles of dance you can possibly do. And I hand it to you for taking that on, and you did a great job. Control your arms. Do you know what a Barbie doll hand looks like? That's kind of the hand, what your hand should be all the time. So make sure that when it's out, it's controlled. I saw a lot of this. Palms of the audience. We never want to see your palms. Palms are ugly.
I think you have pretty palms.
Yeah. And this is my other thing. If you went back and looked at the old Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers clips where they're dancing, you would have never seen anything, and this is a personal opinion, so you can boo whatever you want, but bright lipstick and teeth for days with Ginger Rogers. That's just a suggestion for next time you do it. On your fan kick, point your toes, girl. It was good. It was really good.
He's so rough, I know, right? All right, let's get those scores. Kathy, we have an 8. Rick, a 10. And Robert, a 9. Nicely done. Thank you. Once again, Cats Meow. Let's hear it, everybody. Good job.